Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to Ace Hardware, SM North Annex, and welcome to Be a Prepared Pinoy, your crash course on life-saving tips, must-have gear, and insider know-how for any emergency. And you're all lucky to be a part of the first leg.
As ACE, we're known as the helpful place. And so what we want to do, we're committed to actually helping Filipinos be more than just resilient, but actually be ready, be prepared for any emergencies.
Ready na ba lahat?
Hello, I am JM Daito from Prepper Ed, and we partnered with Ace Hardware in educating the people with disaster preparedness. Alright, so why does this talk matter? Nakita kasi ni Ace yung kahalagahan ng education para sa mga tao. Right now, pang-3 taon na nating #1 sa World Risk Index. And there's climate change. Nakita natin yung pangangailangan ng tao na malaman nila kung ano yung mga gagawin nila sa mga ganong sitwasyon.
We're prone to natural disasters. I think it's just right that, we should be more responsible and be more ready during emergencies.
Ano ba yung guidelines na pwede mong core principle na pwede mong tandaan? So ito lang, 3 lang. Kailangan mo maging informed, gumawa ng plano, and build the kit.
Here at ACE, when you go to our stores, to all our stores nationwide, Filipinos, customers can actually find the things that they need to be ready for any emergencies.
And nakikita po ninyo dito, lahat ng mga gamit na naka-flash dito ngayon, at nakikita nyo rito, they're all tested and they're all effective during disasters. Kasi even kami na matagal na naghahanda, bumibili rin po kami sa kanila. Sila yung go-to namin actually talaga. Kaya nga natuwa kami nung nag-partner kami dito sa event na to.
This program that we have, actually, we're kicking it off today. And so it's part really of our commitment to get Filipinos smarter during emergencies, not feel helpless, but actually be empowered. Hopefully, this series of workshops will help Filipinos who want to engage with them, we want to educate them and empower them.
So next week, we're going to be in Festival Alabang, and then on October 4, it's going to be in Mega Mall.
ACE wants every Filipino to be a prepared Pinoy.